In this video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Sony WH-1000XM4 to two devices. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. The Sony WH-1000XM4 headphones, like other models from Sony, allow you to connect them to multiple devices over Bluetooth. So the only way in which you will be able to set up these headphones is going to be through a Bluetooth connection. So to connect it to two devices simultaneously, just use the multi-point connection feature. So first, pair your headphone with both devices individually. So you just have to do the standard Bluetooth pairing process. I'm going to go over it if you have never paired them up before. Just power them off, and then on the device where you will be connecting them, make sure that Bluetooth is enabled. Now press and hold the power button on the headphones for around 7 seconds. You will have a visual indicator that they are in pairing mode. The LED on the actual headphones should start blinking rapidly, indicating that they are ready to be paired. And if you look under the list of available devices, you will be able to select them on the device where you want to use them over Bluetooth. So make sure that Bluetooth is enabled on your phone, PC, or laptop. Put the headphones into pairing mode by pressing and holding the power button for 7 seconds and choose them from under the list. With this done, you should be able to use the headphones on those devices individually. See if it stays on for both devices simultaneously, and if it doesn't, then you will have to use the Sony Headphones Connect app. So download and install the Sony Headphones Connect app on any of your devices, a smartphone, tablet, or computer, and inside of the System tab of the application, you will be able to enable multi-point connection. You should see a description that tells you to enable the connect to two devices simultaneously. Once you enable that option, you will be able to connect it to the second device with the first device connected. So search for your headphones on the list, choose it under the list of available devices, and if needed, just repeat the same steps. As long as you have the option enabled inside of the app and you connected your headphones to the app as well, you will be good to go. I hope I was able to help you on how to connect Sony WH-1000XM4 to two devices. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.